Hey guys, Jason here from Electric Bike Technologies. Very quick video instructional on the front basket. Now, this is the front basket we offer on for the Liberty Trike, libertytrike.com, and this is a sunlight basket made by J&B Importers. You can find this anywhere, not just from us. But this is how it works. It's very simple. You have two pieces with this. Number one, you have this rack, right? And this goes on the handlebar. So let me show you how that goes on. Why don't you come in here and get a little bit more detail. So first and foremost, we're going to get this brake cable out of the way, okay? And then you have these hooks on this bracket. Now, we're going to go ahead and get that over the handlebar. In fact, you can go right on the straps of that Liberty Trike card pouch, right? And you'll push that in. Here you go, right there, and it hangs there. Now, keep that out of the way. You can have the 3-to-1 be underneath all that. Now, there's a Velcro strap, and this part of it is meant to go right on the neck. The metal part with the strap goes on the neck. The strap goes behind, and there's a place to feed that through in the buckle, and you pull that around and strap that in. So now that all the weight is going to rest on that bracket. We've got our brake cable out in front, our 3-to-1 behind, and we've got that bracket installed there. It's not going to go anywhere, okay? So that's how it goes. Now, here's a cool part about this basket. So here's the basket, and if you look down here, there's 2 holes in there, and then you've got the handles, which correspond to these guys back here. So we're going to put this off to the left. Remember, you don't want to impede that brake cable. We're going to go ahead, and in the bottom of the basket, you can see how these go in from the bracket. Can you see that? Now, we're going to lean the basket back, and it comes back to these 2 here. What we're going to do is we're going to lift the handle both up. And when we do that, and we go backward, why don't you come in here and look at this. See how this goes, these guys go right through here, and then when you put that handle down, it actually locks and secures it in place through that mechanism, and then you've got your brake cable out here. That is the proper way to install the front basket. And what's cool about that design is now when you go to the market, you just lift both of these up, and the basket will come away from there, detach, and pull off those 2 prongs, and you can go in and do your shopping, come back out, put that right back on with those 2 in the bottom, push back here for the locking mechanism, keep the brake cable out of the way, put the handles down, and it's locked into place and secure. So that's the front basket from Liberty Trike. That's how you do the install, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.